Hello, welcome back to my workshop. Right, a viewer writes with a query on this. This is the Parkside Nibbler PMK 550A1. And he says about my last video, he wanted clarification on how smooth a cut it produces, and he also had a query about the minimum cutting diameter, which according to the manual is 45 millimeters, 4.5 centimeters, which works out as I think about 3.5 inches of diameter, or about 1 and a bit inches. Well, I think 1 3/4 inch radius. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and put a straight line through. I'll show you what that looks like, and then we're going to do as tight a curve as I can manage. And I have put some 3-in-1 oil on there because I haven't used it in a while. Right, now, which bit am I going to... Okay, now I deliberately slowed down there. Let's see if I could show you there. You could see the sort of surface finish it produces, which is not 100% smooth. You can see, if you look closely, you can see the where it's nibbled. So if you wanted to smooth that out, you could take a file. Let's see how easy that is to smooth out. Give me a sec. Okay, it's going to take a while to smooth that out. That's taken the not worst of it off, but you can see that it's still there. So now let's just try and do a curve around here. And that, let me just see what that is across there. That looks like that's 2 inches, under 50 millimeters. So I would say that I'd say the cutting radius, let me just put that up there so you can see it. I'm inclined to think the cutting radius is considerably better than advertised. That looks to me like that's more like an inside diameter of about 50, and you can see, hopefully there, you can get a better gauge of what that surface looks like. And you do, something you need to be aware of, end up with an awful large number of these crescent shaped little bits of metal. Not that sharp, I could not having that's not stabbing particularly into my finger, but you then need to clear those up. So hope that's that question answered. A little bit rough around the edges, cuts quite quickly as you can see, it really does, and the cutting diameter is governed by the shape and thickness of this here. Anyway, right. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. If you found that useful, if you found that video very helpful, you can hit the super thanks button, and cheers.